lalapitan natin sila guys kasi alis na. Bago kami alis, mag-pray muna bago tayo gabayan ng ating Panginoon sa ating pagbiyahe. Mandaluyong kami pupunta.
Lord, maraming salamat Panginoon. Binigyan niyo po kami Panginoon.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning.
Habulin natin sila kasi tayo naka-stop, so asahan natin malayo na yon sila, so wala tayong magagawa ngayon, so kailangan natin habulin, di ba? So let's go, habol tayo guys, habol. So ayan na guys, nakita ko na sila sa kahabol. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, bilis silang patakbo. Unahan natin guys para makuha natin sila ng video, diba? May isa pang ano dito pakulaw patakbo yung taga Las Piñas, yung CD Las Piñas, CD nila ito, hazard. Ganda pa naman ang motor, diba? Ano namin na Did Marshall, ayan. I'm about to go off like a weapon, fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly, never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady, look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy, I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.